Hello all. In this video, let's discuss about what is data structure. We use data structure in our everyday life without even knowing it. Parents often scold us for not keeping uh, wardrobes or bookshelf organized. When things are unorganized, it becomes difficult to find what we need. Keeping belongings in an unorganized way makes it quick and easy to locate specific item, clothes, books, etc., which can be accessed fast when they are structured properly. Here, data structure is a core building of algorithm. In simple term, a well-designed algorithm using DS is like a good structure of a house. Whenever we wanted to pick some clothes in the wardrobe, if it is unorganized, it would be very difficult to find out for a particular item. Meanwhile, if the wardrobe or the bookshelves are being arranged in an organized way, it is easy for us to access. The same way with the real life example, data structure plays a major role. So, moving on, a proper definition of a data structure. Data structure can be called as organized and collection of data. Data structure can be called as organized and collection of data. Yes. Next, we move on with the elementary data organization. Data elementary data organization. In elementary data organization, first we move on with the what is data. What is data? A data can be a multiple information. Example, it can be A, B, C, one numbers, names, which can be in simple term called as the raw facts, raw information. Data can be called as multiple information. Example, it can be A, B, C, etc. Numbers, name, likewise Dev, Shanu, Ramya, which is in simple term called as a raw fact. Next, the second one we will move on with the entity. Entity, for example, if I take it as student, student is the property. Student is the property, likewise, which contains name, name, date of birth, roll number, address. Next we move on with the entity set. Entity set, the set of different entities is combined together called as the entity set. The set of different entity is combined together is called entity set. Example: student, employee, etc. Likewise, the student would be having the properties called name, date of birth, roll number, address. Likewise, the employee will be having the properties called as name, age, date of birth, start date, end date of the employment, everything. And the fifth one in the elementary data organization is information. Information. Information is called a meaningful or processed data. Information is called as the meaningful and processed data. Example: roll number 101, name Shanu, which takes the which plays a major role of taking the data and presenting the information, that is in a meaningful format. Next we move on with the field. Field is nothing but the single elementary unit of information that represents attribute and entities. It is the column of any field. For example, I can take it for a student attribute. I would be having the different field like name, roll number, date of birth, and so on. It is it is the single elementary unit of information that represents attribute of entry. Example: name, roll number, DOB, that is date of birth.